In this video, we're going through day 5 of the Legendary Marketer 15-day challenge. Okay guys, so we've made it to day 5 of the Marketer challenge. So far, again, like I said in previous videos, there's some good stuff in here. It's not all good stuff, a lot of it is just filler. By now you would have had your appointment with your business advisor, a phone call, which would have been a 5-minute call just to chat to you, ask you how you do in your own online marketing, what you think the program can do for you, and just a basic introduction basically, so nothing to worry about there. So you've had your call now and they've unlocked the next few days. So again, Dave goes into a little bit of a video for 10 minutes there. It's I would say that Dave's videos get progressively better, and as you go through, you'll get to one point and think, right, this guy's really making sense now. He's got his head screwed on, and the things he's saying, as they start to sink in, you'll start to realize, yeah, I get it. I actually get it. I see where he's coming from. I know what he's about. And it's quite insightful stuff. Really good. So that's this section. The assignment sections, again, it's just a whole lot of fluff. Apart from 1 or 2 sections you might get something decent out of. So this one, again, what I'm calling fluff is just a filler part. It's another testimonial, so that's not really assignment, it's just a testimonial trying to sell you this. This one here is trying to sell you their book. Sorry, a copy of the book. Actually, when you watch this video here, Dave talks about some of the techniques in this book, and it is really good. I haven't purchased the book myself, so I'm not saying the book's really good, but what I'm saying is what Dave talks about in here is really good. I might buy this book in the future. This one here, a bonus video it's actually a seminar from this T. Harv Eker, who is Dave's mentor, and it's good. It's a good seminar. I've never seen it anywhere else, and this guy's apparently a 7-figure marketer, so that's a really good video to watch. And then assignment 4 again is just telling you to mark the lessons as complete. So not a lot going on in there. What I will say is, as you slowly go through, there'll be a point where you realize where I'm calling all these testimonial videos and all these fillers as fluff. There's going to be a point when you realize that, hang on, if I decide to be an affiliate, or if they allow me to be an affiliate, if I get the chance to be an affiliate and promote Legendary Marketer, then this is one big sales funnel, and it's a mighty impressive sales funnel, because I'm being hooked in, I'm enjoying it. It's 15 days worth of education, and you start to realize, hang on, this is getting to me. I'm thinking about things here. I'm seeing marketing a different way and realizing just how good this program is, and all the fluff and fills that I've been complaining about, you do start to realize that once you get your affiliate link to somebody, they're going to go through exactly this same process, and it's designed to weed out people who aren't interested really in affiliate marketing or changing their life, and B, have the determination, to proceed and actually take action and change their life. So somewhere along the way, I've started to have this mind shift of, oh my god, this is really good. So whatever they're doing, this guy here, Dave Sharp, he's a clever guy because he's got me thinking. So anyway, we'll carry on. Yes, we've been through that. So right, so that's day 5 done, and I'll record another video for day 6. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.